I will give you a short overview over the remAid app. On the top of the screen you can find a menu bar that provides you with quick access to all frequently needed functions. On the left side in the blue menu bar, you can find the three different view settings. The first view is the video view, which is live streaming the operator's field of view. This view also allows you to interact directly with the operator's environment through various AR tools. The second view is the whiteboard view, where you can display content on the virtual whiteboard. The third view is the media library view, where you can organize the pictures and videos of your session. If you want to learn more about it, have a look at the media library video. When you are done, you can exit the session at any time by clicking the exit button. You will be asked to confirm that you want to leave the session. Then you will be redirected to the login page.